Hello friends, in this video I show you, portable LCD digital kitchen scale measuring spoon. Gran Electronics spoon weight, Volumn food scale. It's an ideal tool to weigh butter, flour, cream, tea or spices during cooking or baking. Item specifics, brand name, Gago. Measuring tools type, kitchen scales. Material, plastic. Plastic type, PP. Model number, BB00613. Features, material, stainless steel plus plastic. Size, 23 by 5 by 2. 3 centimeters. Spoon size, 6.5 centimeters. Measurement, 300 grams, 0.1 grams. Volume of spoon, 0 to 30 milliliters. Descriptions, 100% brand new and high quality with competitive price. Fit for your kitchen and daily diet designing. Beautiful appearance, special surface treatment. Wide LCD screen display, easy to read. Low power consumption, low battery indicator. Digital spoon scale with LCD display. Balance adjustment function ensures your precise measurement. Two AAA changeable battery. Don't wait, 7,267 have already ordered. 3,629 positive votes with 4.8 ratings out of 5. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment and share.